Welcome back to my channel. This is Mimi Sheila. At ngayon, gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo ang aking simple recipe. Magluluto ako kasi ng salmon. Ayan. Salmon, buttered salmon. Simple recipe lang siya para sa ating mga mamshi. Ano lulutuin natin?
What?
Ayan. Dahil magluluto tayo ng ating salmon.
Curtain! Hurry
At ang ating ingredients ay butter lang. Ayan, butter at saka butter. At saka lemon at olive oil. Tara, let's samahan niyo ako. Hiwain po muna natin ang ating lemon. Bago natin siya hiwain, i-press muna natin siya. Para hindi tayo mahirapan magpiga.
You know what I got to pick?
Meron akong assistant. Oh! Your hands.
It's not open for business. It's birthday. It's my birthday.
At para hindi tayo mahirapan dahil wala tayong pang squeeze ng ating lemon, gamit tayo ng fork. Fork. Gagamit tayo, dahil wala tayong pang squeeze ng lemon, gagamit tayo ng fork. At gaganon lang natin siya para mabilis. Itong lemon ay napaka mabenta sa aming mga kids. Lemon is life. Lemon
Where's that come from?
is life po sa aming mga kids.
Where's that come from?
Quiet, Stan. Lemon
Mimi,
is life.
Mimi, look!
Oh, quiet. Lemon is life sa aming mga kids dahil araw-araw gusto nila may lemon ang kanilang water. Lalagyan ko ng lemon lagi yung water nila. Tanggalin natin yung buto.
Mimi.
Painitin na po natin.
Mimi. My birthday.
Ayan, mainit na po siya at lagyan natin ng konting olive oil.
This is the place of big oil. Is this the big oil done? Here. Go.
At butter. Oops, hingaan lang natin.
Okay.
Kaya natin ilagay ang ating salmon.
All I talk is broken.
Well.
Juice is and I talk is broken.
Binabaran. Nilagyan ko na pala siya ng salt and pepper.
Mimi, what's like a snake? Mimi, it's a mistake. One, two,
Itong salmon belly, nabili ko siya ng 150.
three. One, two,
After 5 minutes, balik pa rin natin siya. Hayaan na natin siyang maluto.
now I need to pay.
Habang magluluto po tayo ng salmon belly, ito po ang ginagawa ng ating assistant.
Wow. Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
Let's make a pancakes. Let's make a pancake. Quarter this. Now put my lemon. Wow, that's a top. No, it's a big. Try one. The juice. Hey, Dad. Look, my shirt. Let's go. Let's go. Dad, what are you doing, Mom? Dad.
Okay, it's done. Here's our salmon belly.
That's a block. Mom, you're crazy.
Ate Karen is going to put the
Lemon.
lemon.
I sure gonna sweet. Mimi, I think that's where Yeah. I like it.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
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 Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-inform kayo sa mga uploads namin. Bye! Keep safe. God bless. Thank you for watching.
Mimi, can kiss? I'll play in that not kiss. At this.
Kiss.
At
You
that.
kiss them. Here. Kiss them.
Hey, man, like it goes up there. Ow. Me,